Welcome to Renfroe Lifting Clamps. J.C. Renfroe Sons has been an international leader in the manufacturing and marketing of industrial lifting clamps for over 70 years. Whether the job is erecting a building or a bridge, shipbuilding, installing storage tanks, warehousing, or general construction, Renfroe has been there with a reliable lifting solution. Renfroe products are manufactured in the United States, Germany, and Japan. Through a network of worldwide distributors, Renfroe provides high-quality engineered clamps around the globe. This presentation, designed to familiarize clients with our line of clamps, is divided into 10 sections. Vertical only, vertical plus 90 degrees turning, vertical plus 180 degree turning, structural shapes, horizontal lifting, beam, pull, non-marring, drum lifters, and tools. Most Renfroe clamps come with a variety of lifting capacities and plate thickness ranges. Before we take a look at the clamps, however, we would like to bring your attention to the two resources which are important in the day-to-day use of each Renfroe product. First, additional Renfroe clamps not shown in this presentation can be found in the Renfroe catalog. Here, one can find full illustrations and descriptions of applications, as well as diagrams and the lifting capacities and plate thickness ranges of each clamp. Secondly, the operator's manuals are included with each clamp before shipment. These contain important information on the proper use and maintenance. No operator should engage or attempt to engage in the use of any Renfroe product until the applicable manual has been read and is fully understood. Also included with the operator's manual is a warranty postcard which can be mailed in to request additional support information. All materials are supplied free of cost. In our vertical-only lifting category, there are 7 clamps: the BD, FR, FRD, R and RO, S and SD. The model BD is a vertical lifting clamp used primarily for steel warehousing and bench work where a locking type clamp is not essential. This clamp is a low-cost, low-maintenance tool that is lightweight and compact. The BD is recommended for applications where constant tension is applied to the lifting shackle throughout the entire operation. It comes in capacities from 1/2 ton through 7 tons. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The model FR is a vertical lifting tool designed for relatively light work. The model FR incorporates a lock-closed feature which facilitates attaching the clamp to the plate. It is small and easy to handle and is supplied in 1/2, 1, 2, and 3 ton capacities with a variety of plate thickness ranges for each capacity. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The model FRD is a vertical lifting clamp that incorporates 2 model FR clamps into one and is used for heavy-duty work where it is desirable to spread the gripping surfaces with 2 points of contact. The clamp contains 2 lock-closed mechanisms which are activated by a single chain and a manually operated lock-open mechanism. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The R and RO models are vertical lifting clamps primarily used in the handling of heavy steel plates in a wide range of plate thickness. However, ROH is designed for handling hot plates up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit maximum. The Model R incorporates a lock-open, lock-close feature which facilitates attaching and removing the clamp from the plate. The ROH incorporates a lock-open-only feature, allowing the clamp to be locked open, lifted onto a hot plate, and the lock released without the operator coming in close contact with the hot plate. These clamps are designed for lifting a single plate only. The Model S is a vertical lifting clamp and is an effective tool for construction and erection. The Model S incorporates a lock-open, lock-closed feature which facilitates attaching and removing the clamp from a plate. The Model S is available in capacities from 1/2 to 100 tons, each having a variety of plate thickness ranges. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The Model SD is a vertical lifting tool that incorporates 2 Model S clamps into one and is used for heavy-duty work where it is desirable to spread gripping surfaces between 2 points of contact. It incorporates a lock-open, lock-close feature which facilitates the attaching and removing of the clamp from the plate. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. In our lifting turning 90 degrees vertical category, there are 3 clamps: the J, LJ, and TL clamps. The Model J is a lifting turning clamp capable of turning single plate or member from horizontal to vertical positions and back through the same 90-degree arc. It comes in capacities of 1/2 ton to 50 tons, having a variety of plate thickness ranges. The model LJ is a vertical lifting clamp capable of turning a plate from horizontal to vertical and back through the same 90-degree arc. It is small and easy to handle in capacities through 3 tons. The LJ incorporates a lock-close feature which facilitates attaching the clamp to the plate. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The model TL is a lifting turning clamp which incorporates the lock-open, lock-close feature that facilitates attaching and removing the clamp to and from the plate. The model TL is capable of turning a plate from horizontal to vertical and back through the same 90-degree arc. The model TL capacities range from 1/2 ton to 20 tons, each having a variety of plate thickness ranges. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. In our vertical 90-degree side pull category, there is our JP model. The JP is a lifting turning clamp capable of turning a single plate or member from horizontal to vertical positions and back through the same 90-degree arc. The JP incorporates a pivoting shackle that permits the side loading of the lifting shackle up to 90 degrees. It comes in capacities from 1/2 ton to 50 tons, having a variety of plate thickness ranges. It should also be noted that side loading derates the clamp's rate capacity. In our lifting turning 180-degree vertical category, there are 8 clamps: the DC, JA, PCK, RSC, SCP, SCSL, SCSM, and TLA clamps. The model DC is for vertical lifting and 180-degree turning clamp. The DC's unique design, utilizing 2 movable gripping cams, allows this clamp to lift any load within its plate size range from 0 up to 6 tons with a Brinell hardness of 300 or less. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The JA model is a lifting turning clamp capable of turning a single plate or member from horizontal to vertical, then to a horizontal position back through a 180-degree arc. It incorporates a push-button auxiliary lock. The JA comes in capacities from 1/2 ton to 50 tons, having a variety of plate thickness ranges. The model PCK is a versatile multi-purpose lifting, turning, pulling clamp, capable of lift and turning operations from the horizontal through 180 degrees arc. The clamp can also be used for the assembling of steel plates, structural members, and welding sections. The clamp is generally used in pairs for the purpose of drawing 2 plates or members together or to a predetermined position adjacent to each other. The adjusting screw is used to accommodate various thicknesses of material and to facilitate the attachment of the clamp to the member being worked on. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The model RSC is a lightweight screw clamp for bench work on steel plates of large thicknesses and weighing less than 1,000 pounds. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The SCP model is a lifting turning clamp capable of turning a single plate through a 180-degree arc. The basic difference in the clamp is the shackle and may be used for handling plates at rolling and forming machines. It comes in capacities from 1/2 ton to 150 tons, having a variety of plate thickness ranges. The model SCSL is a locking screw clamp capable of handling a steel plate from horizontal to horizontal through a 180-degree arc. It is a lightweight clamp primarily used for bench work. It is capable of handling up to a 2,000-pound load. The SCSL incorporates a spring-loaded swivel jaw and screw cup. The spring-loaded screw cup serves as an indicator when the locking screw has been properly tightened. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The model SCSM is a locking screw clamp, capable of handling a steel plate from horizontal to horizontal through a 180-degree arc. It is a lightweight clamp primarily used for bench work. It is capable of handling up to a 2,000-pound load. This clamp is designed for lifting a single plate only. The model TLA is identical to the model TL with the exception of the auxiliary push-button lock that permits turning a single plate or member through a 180-degree arc. The model TLA is also available in capacities from 1/2 to 20 tons. In the vertical plus 180 side pull category, there are 2 clamps, JPA and SCPA. The JPA model is a lifting turning clamp capable of turning a single plate or member from horizontal to vertical, then to a horizontal position back through a 180-degree arc. It incorporates a push-button auxiliary lock. The JPA also incorporates a pivoting shackle that allows the side loading of the lifting shackle up to 90 degrees. It comes in capacities from 1/2 ton to 50 tons, having a variety of plate thickness ranges. It should also be noted that side loading derates the clamp's rated capacity. please reference the Renfroe catalog and operator's manual for D-rated capacities. The SCPA model is a lifting turning clamp capable of turning a single plate through a 180-degree arc. The basic difference in this clamp is the shackle and may be used for handling plate at rolling and forming machines. The SCPA incorporates a pivoting chain shackle that permits a variety of applications and is capable of handling 90-degree side loading at full rated capacity of the clamp. It comes in capacities from a ½ ton to 150 tons, having a variety of plate thickness ranges. In the structural shapes category, there are 7 clamps: AST, ASTL, AST-S, DG, M, SEA, and SX clamps. The models AST and ASTL were developed primarily for lifting, turning, and stacking single lightweight beams and structural shapes. A beam can be turned, then lifted vertically. The model ASTL includes all the features of the AST, plus a linkage which permits the tool to be attached or removed by setting the clamp down on the beam until the chain sling is slack, then lifting the clamp to engage or disengage the clamp from the member. Both models come in capacities from 1/2 to 3 tons. The model AST-S is the same as the model AST, with the exception that it incorporates a lock-close feature which facilitates attaching to the beam. The model DG rail clamp is used for lifting and transporting single crane rails and railroad rails. Lightness of weight allows it to be hand-applied and hand-removed. The DG possesses all the features of the model FR. The Model M is a multi-purpose clamp used for positioning, sorting, erection, and handling of single beams or prefabricated sections. The split lower jaw and lock-close feature enables the clamps to become particularly useful in handling structural shapes. The Model M is available in capacities from 1/2 to 8 tons, each with a variety of plate thickness ranges. The Model SEA is a clamp used primarily for erection of single structural beams. Configuration of the lower hook assembly and the over-center position of the shackle permits the clamp to grip closer to the beam web, stabilizing the load and holding it with the flange near horizontal for easy alignment of the bolt holes. The clamp has a lock-open, lock-close feature which facilitates the attachment and removal of a load. The SEA comes in capacities from 1 to 15 tons with a variety of jaw opening ranges. The Model SX clamp is used for lifting and transporting of single angles, both in fabrication and erection of steel. It possesses all the features of the Model S. In the horizontal category, there are 6 clamps: the DWS, HR, HDR, HRS, M, and WHSR clamps. The Model DWS is a horizontal lifting clamp utilizing Renfroe's famous lock-close feature. This clamp comes in 4 sizes: 1/4 ton, 1/2 ton, 1 1/2 ton, and 3 ton. HDR is a horizontal lifting clamp intended to be used in pairs, sets of pairs, or in a tripod arrangement for transporting steel plates horizontally. The Model HDR is similar to the HR, except that it contains 2 cams which provide 2 gripping surfaces. In addition to the standard serrated cams, it is available with smooth steel, smooth bronze, or smooth stainless steel cams to prevent marring. It comes in capacities from 1 1/2 tons to 8 tons. The Model HR is a horizontal lifting clamp intended to be used in pairs, sets of pairs, or in a tripod arrangement for transporting steel plates horizontally. In addition to the standard serrated cams, it is available with smooth steel, smooth bronze, or smooth stainless steel cams to prevent marring. The Model HR comes in capacities of 1/4 to 4 tons. The Model HRS is a horizontal lifting clamp that has a spring-loaded open and closed position. The spring-closed position allows one-man operation of multiple clamps. The clamps can stay in position where they are attached until the spring open is actuated. These clamps must be used in pairs, sets of pairs, or in tripod arrangement for transporting plate horizontally. The Model M was mentioned earlier with the structural shape lifting clamps, but can also be used for horizontal lifting and in pairs to lift structural beams. The Model WHSR is an adjustable horizontal clamp intended to be used in pairs, sets of pairs, or in a tripod arrangement. The Model WHSR is available with jaw openings of 0 to 6 inches, 0 to 12 inches, and 0 to 16 inches. These ranges of jaw openings have adjustable openings every 1 3/8 inches. The Model WHSR is available in capacities from a ½ ton to 8 tons. In the beam clamp category, there are 7 clamps: A-1, AC, ACP, B-1, B-2, BC, and PB clamps. The Model A-1 was developed and designed to provide easy suspension of hoists from existing beams or girders, thereby eliminating the need for nuts, bolts, shackles, and such. The load applied to this clamp is exerted on the beam flanges at the web of the beam. The Model A-1 is designed for use on channel or angle shapes only. It comes in 1 ton through 5 tons. It has a variety of flange ranges. It is also furnished with a fluted steel locking wedge, which holds the clamp in place on a beam. When a load is applied to the eye of the clamp body, the clamp cannot be removed from the beam. The models AC and ACP are lightweight, portable clamps intended to provide a quick and simple method of attaching a lifting or tightening mechanism to an existing beam, angle, or a fabricated section. The Model ACP has a pivoting shackle eye that permits moving a member or section in a direct line by using a number of clamps. The AC and ACP are available in 2-ton capacity with a variety of jaw opening ranges starting at 1/4 to 5/8 inches all the way up to 1 1/8 to 1 1/2 inches. The Model B-1 was developed and designed to provide easy suspension of hoists from existing beams or girders, thereby eliminating the need for nuts, bolts, shackles, and such. The load applied to this clamp is exerted on the beam flanges at the web of the beam. The B-1 is intended for use on the I-beam or 3H beam. The B-1 comes in 1 ton to 12 tons. It has a variety of flange ranges. It is also furnished with a fluted steel locking wedge which holds the clamp in place on a beam. When a load is applied to the eye of the clamp body, the clamp cannot be removed from the beam. In contrast to the Model B-1, the Model B-2 is equipped with 4 heavy-duty rollers that can be used to move a load along any length of I-beam or H-beam. The Model B-2 is supplied with or without a locking wedge. This makes the B-2 a beam trolley that can be used with hoists or chain falls. The B-2 comes in 1 to 12-ton capacities, each with a variety of flange widths. The Model BC is a portable beam clamp that can lift or provide suspension of hoists from beams or girders. It is intended for use on the I-beam or H-beam. The BC is available in capacities from 1 1/2 tons with a 3 to 7 inch flange width up to 25 tons with an 18 to 40 inch flange width. It can be side-loaded up to 20 degrees from the vertical. As an option, the BC can be equipped with non-marring inserts from the factory. The non-marring inserts can also be installed in the field with a kit, which can be ordered from a Renfroe distributor. The Model PB is similar to the Model B-1 and provides quick attachment to beams and girders and may be used in the general rigging of chain falls and hoists. The clamp hinges in 2 sections, allowing quick installation. This model is furnished with a fluted tool steel locking wedge which holds the clamp in place on a beam. The 2 eyes allow the clamp to be attached in the vertical or horizontal positions. The clamp is of single-unit construction and fits a wide range of flange widths. The pull clamp consists of the Model PC, which is a light pull clamp used for pulling and aligning structural members and fabricated sections in the construction and maintenance for shipbuilding and other industries. This clamp is versatile and has a wide-range jaw opening. It is secured to the load by tightening the screw and has a rotating cam jaw grip on the screw and clamp body. The non-marring categories include 4 clamps: the NM, NMA, NMBL, and NMRSC. The Model NM, or non-marring clamp, is manufactured with smooth gripping surfaces to prevent marring when gripping single stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and other polished plates. Due to the variety of conditions that may exist in handling these plates, it is recommended that these clamps be used in pairs and attached to the lifting device with chain slings. The NM is supplied with stainless steel gripping surfaces and is available with steel or bronze upon request. Capacities range from 1 to 12 tons, each with a variety of plate thickness ranges. The Model NMA is a non-marring vertical lifting clamp capable of turning a single plate or member from horizontal to horizontal through a 180-degree arc. The NMBL model is used to turn a single plate from the horizontal through a 180-degree arc. They are manufactured with smooth gripping surfaces to prevent marring when gripping stainless steel, copper, aluminum, or other polished metal plates. The NMBL incorporates a lock-open, lock-close feature to facilitate attaching and removing the clamp from a plate. The Model NMRSC is a lightweight screw clamp for bench work on single steel plates of large thicknesses and weighing less than 1,000 pounds. Supplied with smooth gripping surfaces to prevent marring when gripping stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and other polished metal plates. The drum lifters category consists of the model 400M and 300S. Both of these clamps are used for the vertical lifting and transporting of metal drums. These clamps are equipped with a past center locking device, which secures the clamp tightly to the drum. The 300S comes in two sizes, one for drums and one for barrels. The 300S is capable of handling one drum at a time, whereas the 400M is capable of handling 4 drums. The last category is tools. This is a tagline, which is a tool to which a load-guiding lanyard is attached to assist in controlling the swing of a load during transport and to aid in aligning the load before it is brought to rest. When necessary, worn or damaged parts may be replaced by installing individual replacement parts through the use of a Renfroe rebuilding kit. Renfroe rebuilding kits include all parts generally replaced due to normal wear. Parts not subject to daily operating wear may be purchased separately. Please reference the Renfroe catalog for additional Renfroe models not addressed in this presentation. Renfroe will modify current models to meet specific applications not covered by existing models. All modifications incorporate tried and proven principles. Renfroe distributors are capable of assisting users in the application of all clamps. Renfroe also offers specialized training courses at the J.C. Renfroe plant in Jacksonville, Florida. Classroom and hands-on instruction is offered by company engineers and product managers. Information on the application, operation, and maintenance of Renfroe products is available by directing inquiries to J.C. Renfroe Sons Incorporated, Post Office Box 4279, Jacksonville, Florida 32201. By visiting our website at www.jcrenfroe.com or by calling 1-800-874-8454. J.C. Renfroe Sons, known as an international manufacturer of lifting clamps for over 70 years, has incorporated its technology and quality control in the manufacturing of its newest line, wire rope sheaves and mobile crane and bridge crane blocks. Renfroe sheaves and blocks are manufactured in our Jacksonville, Florida plant and are available through our distribution centers throughout the United States and through our affiliate manufacturing plants in Asia, Europe, and through our Spanish partner, Gosen. We start with a look at our line of sheaves. Quality, safety, reliability, and prompt delivery are the major objectives for delivery of each of our sheave products. Offering a superior sheave line, our product features include offering sheaves in most common wire rope sizes, using a welding process that allows for special configurations, providing greater durability and reliability, offering sheaves from 3-inch to 300-inch in diameter, sheaves available as fabricated, machined, forged, or cast. All of our sheaves are built with stepped hubs to eliminate stress failure in the weld. We are assured of very reliable welds by using a computer-controlled submerged arc welding process. The precision-aligned hub-sheave wheel combination adds to the bearing life and keeps the sheave on the job longer. Based on your needs, we can manufacture lighter weight steel sheaves for offshore platforms to heavy-duty sheaves for construction cranes. When you use a Renfroe sheave, it will take a load off your mind. J.C. Renfroe can give your business a big lift with our line of quality blocks that are highlighted by major benefits that include bridge crane blocks that are available in 1 to 500 ton capacity, mobile crane blocks that are available in 1 to 1,000 ton capacity. All our blocks are furnished with roller bearings or ball bearings depending on block sizes. We offer single and multiple sheave configurations. We have standard single-point alloy swivel hook with latch. Our blocks have through-the-shaft sheave bearing lubrication. Our sheaves are protected by side plates. And we offer double and quad hooks. Also available are Renfroe weighing blocks. With direct reading of the load weight, you can work safer and know exact load weights, especially for shippers. Because of our technology and manufacturing flexibility at J.C. Renfroe, we can produce special configurations or dimensions without the long lead times and increased costs associated with standard manufacturing techniques. Just let us know your specs and we'll work to fill your needs. For additional information or to order Renfroe sheaves or blocks, Call J.C. Renfroe Sons at 1-800-874-8454 for the name of your nearest distributor. Also visit us on the web at www.jcrenfro.com.